Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about what is freestyle jobs. Okay, so let's get started guys. Jenkins freestyle project is a repetitive build job script or pipeline that contains steps and post build actions. It is an improved job or task that can span multiple operations. It allows you to configure build triggers and offers project-based security for your Jenkins project. It also offers plugins to help you build steps and post-build actions. The types of actions that you can perform in a Jenkins build step or post-build actions are quite limited. There are many standard plugins available within a Jenkins Freestyle project to help you overcome this problem. So what is Freestyle Jobs? This theoretical part of the Jenkins. What is Jenkins Freestyle project? I will explain you in a very short and easy manner. That what is Jenkins Freestyle Jobs? There, it is just a basic job. If you want to run a script, you have to just write sh and then the script location, and the script will run on. The script will run. Okay. If you have to run multiple scripts, you have to write multiple commands like sh this script, sh the second script, sh the third script, sh the fourth script. Okay. And if you want to perform multiple steps, you have to write multiple steps in that. If you have to perform multiple steps, suppose this one step, so you have to make an execution first. Then if you want to perform a second step, you have to again write an execution shell. If you have to perform the third task, you have to again write an execution shell. Okay. So it is just a basic, it is the most basic. If you have to create a basic Jenkins job, you can use freestyle jobs for it. You have to just simply write the script, run the script, and your job is done. Okay. And you can use post build actions and Jenkins build steps. Okay, in this jobs. Okay. So let's move on to the next topic. It is pipeline jobs. What is pipeline jobs? In Jenkins, a pipeline is a collection of events or jobs which are interlinked with one another in a sequence. It is a combination of plugins that support the integration and implementation of continuous delivery pipelines using Jenkins. In other words, Jenkins pipeline is a collection of jobs or events that brings the software from version control into the hands of the end user by using automation tools. It is used to incorporate continuous delivery in a software development workflow. Some of its functionality is it's durable, it's possible, it's versatile, it's efficient, and it's extensible. What I mean by this functionality is, first, it's durable. Pipeline can survive both planned and unplanned restarts of your Jenkins controller. It means that if your Jenkins pipeline job is running and in background your Jenkins restarts, in that case also after Jenkins comes up, this job will start again. It's durable. Second functionality, possible. Pipelines can optionally stop and wait for a human input or approval before completing the jobs for which they were built. Suppose you want an input from the user that you have to give an input or you have to approve to move on to the next step, so you can add an input in that input function. You can use the input function for that. Versatile. Pipelines support complex real-world CD requirements, including the ability to fork or join, loop, and work in parallel with each other. You all can work in parallel with each other in pipeline jobs. Efficient. Pipeline can restart from any of several saved checkpoints. And the fifth functionality is extensible. The pipeline plugin support custom extensions to its ESL domain scripting language and multiple options for integrating with other plugins. These five are the major functionality. Anyone in interview can ask you, okay, what is pipeline and can you tell me about its functionality? You can explain it. Yeah, it's durable, it's possible, it's versatile, it's efficient, it's extensible. Okay, guys. So what all we did in this video is what is pipeline, what is freestyle, what are the main functionality of pipeline. Okay, guys. So let's meet up in the next video with a new topic. Stay tuned, like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you, guys.